Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing like a short photo card organising video since I just have a few cards to put away and I made quite a lot of differences in my binder. So the first difference is that I'm collecting 3 members of Twice now, like not just some OT9 sets but all like these 3 members. I'm collecting Gio, Diane, and I've pretty much finished Che. I really want to expand my Twice collection because I really love them and I just, couldn't just stick to Che. And then the second difference is that I have decorated the inside of my folder with some decals. I have a Che on one there, and then a Saturday hat, and then some Christmas decorations down here. Just really wanted to make it a bit more cute. So we'll start with these. I've kind of put them in order. There's quite a lot of Twice. We'll start with this one. I've got quite a lot of Gio actually. I managed to get quite a few trades for her. The other unit is in the back of this one. I already sleeved them just to make it a bit quicker. Haven't got any lane 1 yet. And then lane 2, I have a Gio. I'm finding Diane quite hard to find. I'm not too sure why. I thought Gio would be a little bit harder to find, but managed to find quite a lot of her. And then Signal, I have Gio's Hollow. I got this for like £2.50 on eBay. Crazy price. They usually go for like 6 or 7. And also in my binder I decided to go with this mint green colour just because it's really nice and also it's quite cheap for me to buy and it kind of gives that uniformity. And then what else is here? I have quite a few trades on the go. Okay, so next is What Is Love. I think this is What Is Love, this Cheong. This is actually a gift from a friend for Christmas. It's like actually one of my favourite cards from this era of all the sets. Oh my gosh, that page is now complete for Che. And then this one is the tricolour border. I'm gonna have to use something other than these sticky notes. They're actually so difficult to get out. Oh my god. Collecting 3 members of Twice is such something I never thought I'd do. I tried to collect 3 members back when I first started collecting photo cards and I had to quit because I just couldn't do it, but now I do have my hopes on getting it finished. And then this is one of the OT9 sets I'm completing, or trying to complete, and it's these scratch cards and I've almost done. I just need 3. And then what's next? Some Diane fancy cards. I did claim some Gio yes or yes cards in a group order, so hopefully I'll be able to pay for those soon. And I also claimed so many Gio in a group order for fancy. Okay, so this top one. And this ring pop one, this is also an OT9 set I'm trying to finish. And that is all of Twice, I'm pretty sure. I have this Yeti standee. I did pull the Yeti set in my guidebook version, but I've only just realised that I could put the 2 pocket pages in here, because before I couldn't, because of like my other folder wasn't 3 ring. Now I just need the day 2 postcard and I'll be all done. But now finale is announced. Don't know how many photo cards I'll have for that one. And next we have an card from a trade. I am doing a Red Velvet finale group order for the EU and UK, so if you do fancy joining that, just drop me a message on Instagram. My Instagram's in the description. OMG. What album is it? It's Time for the Moonlight. There. I've got quite a few G-Friend albums for Christmas, so hopefully this will fill out more. And then the sort of final card I have is a Daniel one. This is also from the same friend for Christmas. And it's their, I believe it's Won the World. Yes, Won the World tour. And I've been searching for this card for so long just because it's so cute and I love his blonde hair. Oh my god, I'm so happy to have it. Take out this green. That's so cute. I do have quite a lot of Daniel's one-on-one cards that I might put in here at some point, but I'm just not too sure. So I'm actually going to do like a quick update on what I'm doing. I've been through twice. I'm sort of almost done with Saturday. This Hanel card is actually on the way. I just need this last Ion card before I finish the set. So if you have this Ion, please or if you see it, just please let me know and I'd be really happy to buy it from you. I also have their fan meeting goods on their way. I have their light stick and their photocard set. No updates with Promise 9, but I do have their album, the Two Heart album for Christmas. Heejin's Butterfly will not give any updates. She recently ended the group chat after someone asked for an update, so we're not too sure what's going on there. Eyes one, hopefully it'll release. OMG's going quite well considering I only started to collect her like a month ago. I'm quite proud of this collection. Hopefully I can finish her before they ever come back. Nature, I haven't got their newest album yet. It's just not a massively high priority. And also AB6. This is quite sad. I've stopped collecting Rune just because they have so many cards. But I really do love Youngmin with my whole being. So hopefully I'll be able to get him finished. This is Daniel. This card is on the way. Finally finished him as well. Jaeyeon is finished. I've decided to sort of put the OT12 releases. OT18 release here, Empathy. I just need 10's Dream version. The rest of Jaeyeon's cards. And then this is 10's section. I do have this Super M card on the way from a trade, and hopefully Take Off and Take Over the Moon will come in from group orders. And then 1S, this card is also on the way. I'm just looking for this one. And that's about it for my photo card collection at the moment. It's Christmas, so nothing's really arriving. Sort of waiting for after Christmas. But yeah, if you're interested in finding out where I got all these decals, I'll put the link in the description just because they're really, really pretty. But yes, thank you for watching.